Welcome to our channel. That is what we will discuss today. Reset network setting for fixed drop calls. Reset network settings for fixed drop calls. Consistent carrier, car, carrier or network setting can mess up call, phone call performance on your smartphone. Performance on your smartphone. Smartphone restart, restarting your devices network setting network setting to factory difficult to factory difficult resolve the cause resolve difficult may resolve the drop issue call drop issue. Reset network setting or fixed drop calls. Configuring carrier or network setting can mess up phone calls performance on your smartphone. Restarting on device network setting to factory default may resolve the call drop issue. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel latest new video. Thank you.